1926 Van Buren Street. It's a house for sale, 5-bedroom, 4-bath, asking $949,000. It's a 3780 square footage. The street very quiet. It's a pretty nice location. This is the house. It's a very big lot, 20,000 square foot lot. In front of us is the garage, and then on the other side there is an exit to another 2-door garage. So right now we're gonna go inside the house. Everything in the house impact windows, besides 2 windows that I will show you inside. Big living room space, high voltage ceilings. On the right side here right now it's an office that can easily be converted into a bedroom with half bath, pretty large half bath. Very nice flooring. This is the kitchen, custom kitchen. Very nice updated kitchen. The laundry room is very large as well. There is a tankless water heater of Titan brand. This is the garage, so that's what I meant from the other side. This is the door, and then on the other side it's 2 doors leading to the back alley. This is the master suite. Walk-in closet on the left side. Bathroom with sliding doors leading to the outside. The shower was done very nice. And a tub in the back. Now it's kind of like isolated, which is very nice. The other side there are 3 bedrooms which can easily be converted to another bedroom. So right now on the left side there is 1 bedroom with a full bathroom. Again, nice job was done here. This is the window that was not impact. They didn't change it. There is another room with exactly the same window that was not replaced. All the rest again is impact. This is the other bedroom. So here we have right now Jack and Jill for the bathroom, which I will show how we can add easily another bedroom on the other side. This is again the window that was not replaced to impact. High ceiling in the rooms. Here we have, so this is kind of like walking into a very large room. There are doors here for closet space, and this room, this wall right here, we can remove completely, and then this is basically the entrance to the bathroom right here. So we can do kind of like a hallway here with the door right there, entrance, and then from here we actually gonna go into 2 rooms, so we can split it in the middle. Plenty of space to create 2 bedrooms here, and then have another entrance to the bathroom. Now we're gonna go outside. So again, the space is very large, very nice yard, spacious, clean. You can do a lot of things here. Seating area, the grass, and it's going all the way to the back, which is basically going to the back alley. So this is the back alley, and these are the 2-car garages, and over there is a shed.